So Ranlyn has been wanting to customize her Can Am Ryker 600 for a while now, but she hasn't decided what she wanted to do. But she found a piece to cover the grill, and it came in the mail today, and we're going to install it. So as soon as Ranlyn gets a chance, we're gonna open that thing up and see what she got. All right, Ranlyn, you ready to open this up, see what you got? All right, let's go for it. This came from Zarati. It's pronounced like karate. Steelworks. They're not sponsoring this video, but nobody's done a video on their products yet, so hopefully we get to be a first. Woohoo! Hey, we got bubble wrap. All right. So far, it's still a mystery. It's still a mystery. Bubble wrap, yay! More bubble wrap, yay! Instructions! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's see the product. I don't care about all that. Uh-oh. It's looking interesting. We got to get the foam off of it. Uh-oh. Oh, this is going to be cool.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready? All right. Uh-oh. Get all that off of there. I don't want to show it just yet. Hold it there. There you go. It's a grill cover like teeth that have bitten into blood. And that's by Zarati Steelworks. Like I said, they do not sponsor me, but I could be the first one to do a video on the Can Am Ryker installing one of their grills. So now that we see it, we're going to start installing it. You happy?
Yep.
It looks good, doesn't it? Looking over the instructions, I got to take half the bike apart. That's just the front end. And then have a 1364 drill bit, which I don't have, so I'm gonna have to go get a drill bit and then we can figure this thing out. But that's all right. So I just got to take out a couple of bolts and that's it. I guess it isn't as bad as I thought it was. All right, so we're gonna take this part off, which is pretty easy. And now I gotta find the stuff to do down under here. So yeah, we'll do that in a second. So I gotta climb down under here on the ground because there's two bolts right there and the other one right over there that hold this whole thing together. So this should be fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Ow! When you got big hands, don't wrap your knuckles on the ground because it kind of hurts a little bit. Ow, I did it again. You want to get down here and do this, Ranlyn?
Nope.
It's your bike, you should be doing it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Neither do I. You can read better than me. My degree's in writing, not reading. Okay. Oh, I think I know what's gonna happen. No, that won't work either. Okay, I don't know what's going on. So yeah, let me get these out of here and then we'll get back to you. For a top of the line bike, this thing is scary easy to take off. That just, yeah, it's basically held on by two bolts and a little bit of willpower. Scary. So yeah, they said you have to use the drill bit at an angle, but the angle they have you go at is completely retarded. Yes, I said retarded. It's not politically correct, but at this point, this is frustrating. Because the way the holes line up to where they were put in is not exactly accurate. I don't know. I'm just trying to get this done because I got one on one side, one on the other side, and they're completely different places. As long as it looks good, I don't care. It's not my bike, right, Ranlyn?
Funny.
So trying to get the angle or get it without hitting all this other stuff is the hardest part, but I've got them all lined up where they're supposed to be, and all right, now let me get the hardware in and we'll get it done. So they tell you to use the 1/2-inch bolt to go in there. What they don't tell you is that if you have fingers that are bigger than the piece of plastic, you can't get your fingers in there. So needle nose pliers, yeah, you got to use those. So I got the top one and the bottom one just tightened for now. Now we're gonna get the top two. So yeah, we almost got it. We just gotta tighten these down now. Like I said, when you have fat fingers, it's not easy to do this. or big hands for that matter, because these are not easy parts to work with. It's small, it's tight spaces, but it's gonna hopefully make her motorcycle look really good, because there is one other Can Am Ryker in town, but it's a 900, and she doesn't have all the customization. She has a few other things done to hers, so hers looks different. So yeah, this should be a whole lot of fun, and the bike already gets enough attention in town, so now it's going to get even more. So yeah, we'll see what it does. So I got it installed. Now I just have to put everything back together. Shouldn't take me too long. That was a lot easier than I expected, but yeah, I don't work well with others, so I have to apologize to my wife later for yelling at her, because I'm not a nice guy when I start working on things and my fat fingers get in the way. Ouch! Hit my knuckles again. We got it back in place. Everything's on. All I have to do is tighten these last two screws, put the hood back on, and then we're gonna see what she looks like and have Renlin take a ride. And yeah, make sure I leave a link in the description, so you guys want to customize yours, you can contact Zarati. If you have a slingshot, they do a lot of slingshot parts also. So yeah, I'll make sure I leave that link in the description. That way you guys can, like I said, customize your own. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. Share this with all your friends. Hit that notification bell. That way you can get more awesome videos and content from me. But as soon as I finish this up, we're going to have Renlin go for a ride, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the bike while it's driving. So it's all the way on there. It amazes me how easily this bike comes apart and goes together. It's almost kind of scary. But yeah, it's a good, solid, secure bike, and it's a whole lot of fun to ride. Now that just looks kind of mean right there. So Renlin's going to go for a ride, and we're going to see what she looks like on the actual bike while it's riding. This thing looks pretty cool when it comes up on you. I like it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That looks pretty sharp. So yeah, if you want to get yours done, the link is in the description.